Dear students, today we will start with exercise 6.3 and this is question number 3. In this question number 3, this is given a trapezium and in this trapezium AB is parallel to CD given and he wants us to prove that AO upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Now children, see, in this triangle ABO and triangle DOC, COD, this triangle COD and this triangle AOB. Let's try to prove that these two triangles are similar. Now children, see, we are given AB is parallel to CD. And if I consider this one as a transversal, so here the formation of Z is there. So we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2, alternate interior angles as lines are parallel. Similarly, if I take this one as transversal, so angle 3 is equal to angle 4, alternate interior angles. So if in two triangles these two angles are equal, any two angles are equal, we say that the triangles are similar by AA similarity. The third one is also equal, vertically opposite angle, but it is not required to mention because if only two angles are similar, we can say that equal, we can say that the triangles are similar. Now name the triangle. How to name the triangle? Write down the first triangle as it is, ABO. ABO you have written. Now angle A. Angle A means angle 1. That was equal to C. Therefore, you should start here with C. If A is equal to C, in place of A, you have to write C. Similarly, 3 is equal to 4. So, B is equal to D. So, if B is at second place, D should be at the second place here. And rest will take the third place. So, at third place, we will write O. So, in this way, we can say that the triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar and you have done the naming correct, then children, you will start writing the ratio of the corresponding sides. If the triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. Therefore, AO, we have taken first and last. So, all the sides of ABO triangle will be taken in numerator and the side of CDO triangle will be taken in denominator, the corresponding side. So AO, I have taken first and last. So under this, we have to write CO, first and last. Okay. Now here we have written BO. So BO, and therefore under that we will get DO, second and last. And see, this ratio is exactly the same that is required to be proved. Therefore, we can say that we are able to prove it. Now, next question. This is question number 4. In this question number 4, you are given a triangle PQR, and in this triangle, you are given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Also in this figure, you are given QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. And you are required to prove that triangle PQS, see this small triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR, the outer triangle TQR. We need to prove that these two triangles are similar. Now children, first of all we will take triangle PQR. PQR given is always helpful. So whatever given to us, we have to focus on that. So PQR is a triangle, and in this triangle we are given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So children, you can say that PQ is equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR. Since the angles are equal, therefore sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Therefore PQ and PR both are equal. Now we will focus upon the second thing given to us. This is given ratio, and in this ratio if I replace PR by PQ, because just now we have proved that PR and PQ are equal. So in place of PR I have written PQ. Now let's see the triangles that we need to prove similar. In this triangle, as per the new ratio that we got, QR means we have taken second and last, QR, and under that we have QS, that means second and last from here. Is that clear? Then QT means first two from here, and PQ means first two from this triangle. So we have seen that QR and QT both are the sides of this triangle. QR and QT, they are the sides of the first triangle, and QS and PQ are the sides of the second triangle. So both the sides of first triangle in the numerator and both the sides of second triangle are in the denominator. Now see, in this triangle PQS, angle 1 is apart, and in the triangle TQR, 1 is apart. So angle 1 is equal to angle 1. But let's see, is angle 1 is the angle between the sides that we have taken. So we have from the bigger triangle TQR, we have taken the sides QR and QT. Check the sides that you have taken, QR and QT. So these two sides you have taken, and angle 1 is the angle between these two sides only. Now check the second triangle. You have taken the second triangle and the sides are QS and PQ that you have considered. PQ and QS. So the ratio of the sides that you have taken are PQ and QS, and angle 1 is again the angle between these two sides. Therefore, we can say that the triangles are similar by SAS. Two sides are proportional and the angle between them are equal. Therefore, the triangles are similar. That's all for today, children.